Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Viair TLC BOOST 120 PSI RV Air Compressor Kit with the air tank. Now this kit will let you inflate your vehicle and bike tires or even power your air tools using this portable air compressor that has a 1.5 gallon tank with it, and it'll connect directly to your vehicle's battery. It does have a maximum air pressure of 120 PSI. Now the compressor right here, it can be hard mounted using these terminal rings that will be wired to your vehicle's battery. Now the mounting hardware to install this compressor and the air tank, it does come also with that. Now the compressor itself will charge the air reservoir to 120 PSI, storing enough air to provide a blast for seating tubeless bicycle tires, running certain air tools, and it is even capable of inflating RV and truck tires up to 33-inch in diameter. It does include everything shown here on the table. We'll start with the air compressor right up here. It's on top of the 1.5 gallon air tank, and it has this fused 2-pin SAE connector that'll allow you to connect it to the battery. Comes with this 2-pin SAE connector that has the terminal rings that'll attach to your battery. Over here we have this 30-foot long coiled air hose. Right here it has the shop style inflator with the built-in 120 PSI pressure gauge. Comes with the blowgun. Right here it has a 90-degree twist-on Schrader attachment. Includes this rebuildable press-to-head attachment, 3 inflation tips for all your accessories, a press-to-valve adapter. Comes with the air filter housing with extra filters that'll screw right into the air compressor. And a nice carrying case that'll carry all your accessories and keep them all in one place. Nice set of instructions also. Now we mentioned it has this 8-foot long fused, you can see the fuse right in here, 2-pin SAE connector, and that'll plug into this 2-foot long terminal ring power cord. It'll be able to reach most of your battery locations. We mentioned you can see the terminal rings on here is what will attach directly to your battery. And on the compressor it has a built-in on and off switch right here. Now what I am going to do is I want you to hear the noise level of this compressor. So we are going to hook it up to some 12-volt power I have here. So you can see if we take off the caps for the SAE connectors. Just line those up, push them together. And with them together, now we have our terminals. And we'll go ahead and hook our terminals up to our 12-volt power source. And then again, once we have these hooked up, I am going to turn it on. Got them all hooked up. And right over here again is your built-in switch, your on and off switch. So you can see with it turned on, noise level is really not that high. Pretty quiet actually. Turn it off just like that, and again, flip the switch for it to turn on. Go ahead and turn it off. Now we mentioned it comes with this 30-foot long coiled air hose. Has a quick connector on this one end, allows you to connect it real easily. Basically, you'll take this, plug it into the compressor, and then your quick one, you can connect whatever accessory you need to it. We mentioned it has this 120 PSI gauge that's built into the inflator. Gives you a nice accurate reading of your air pressure. And also on the side here you'll see this button. It's a bleeder valve. If you put too much air in there, you can push that to release some of the air pressure. We mentioned the 10-inch long 90-degree twist-on Schrader attachment to hook to your valve stem on your tires. The blowgun you can see is all included. We mentioned the rebuildable press-to-head attachment. Now the press-to-valves are usually on your bicycle tires, so this can be connected to your air hose and air up those press-to-valve. And they call it a rebuildable unit because you can unscrew it and take it apart and make it for easy cleaning. It does come with the 3 accessory tips that help keep your toys or mattresses aired up on your trip. And it also has a press-to-valve adapter, again for the press-to-valves, that you can use to screw into. If you want to screw it in there, then you can use this on the press-to-valves also. That's included. It does have a nice, we mentioned the air filter housing with the filters that'll actually screw on right into there. And then the nice durable storage bag for easy transport of all these accessories. Few specs on this unit. It is voltage, it uses 12 volts. Maximum amperage draw is 30 amps. Maximum air pressure 120 psi. Maximum airflow of 2.3 cubic feet per minute. This does have a duty cycle of 33% at 100 psi, which basically will mean 20 minutes on and 40 minutes off. The weight on this whole unit right here is just under 18 pounds, about 17.6 pounds. And the measurements, the overall length of it is about 15 inches long. The width of it is about 6 inches wide. And the overall height at the tallest point, about 15 inches tall. But that should do it for the review on this Viair TLC BOOST 120 psi RV Air Compressor Kit with the air tank.